Hi viewers, today I'll show you how to edit surprising video. If you watch my video up to last moment, you will be the professional video editor. Okay viewers, no more talking, please let's start. So okay viewers, click kinemaster and click plus icon, select ratio 16:9 and click media and now select one background. Now I am selecting black background and increase background up to your video length. So okay viewers, now you have to click this layer option. So now please you go to layer and after click media. Now select your green screen downloaded video. This video link I will give on description. So now click this here and now this screen full. Click full screen. Now click chroma key and enable chroma key and now adjust this. Okay, now key color, need to give this key color green. Okay, now you can see. Now again click layer and go to media and select any photo. So now I am selecting one photo. Okay, I am select this photo. Now need to go get this cropping option. Now need to go this cropping option and need to give enable marks and need to create shape. I am selecting heart shape. Now need to adjust this photo. You can click this photo option and you can move this photo by this arrow mark. Okay, adjust this photo and keep on heart option. So okay, now click three dot icon and now click send to back. Okay, so now click key icon and adjust your photo and slowly go to forward and adjust your photo on the heart inside. So slowly go forward and adjust your photo on the heart. Okay, again go to forward and adjust your photo on this heart. So okay, by this way you can edit this photo. So slowly go to forward and adjust this photo on the heart. So by this way you fixed this photo. So okay, again go to layer, media, and select a photo from your gallery. Okay, you can select photo from your gallery. Okay, I selected photo. So click marks and select shape and adjust this photo, and after put this photo on this heart. So you can move this photo. Now put this photo on the heart. So click three dot icon and click send to back, and after click key icon and adjust this photo on the heart and go to forward. Slowly go forward and adjust the photo on the heart. By this way you can adjust this photo and you can edit this photo on this heart. Okay, slowly go forward and lock this photo on the heart. So okay, again go to layer and go to text icon. So click text icon for writing name. So I'm clicking this text icon. Now I'll write the bride name. So I'm writing name. Okay, so okay, click here and you can change font color. For changing font color, click top side, and after you can change this color. You can up and down this name. You can increase and decrease this name by scroll up and down. Okay, so you put this name in that faceplate and you can zoom this name, and also you can select font item. Okay, you can select from here and put this name on the faceplate and give animation. So now click this key icon and click this plus icon and go to forward up to end of the faceplate. Now click out animation and select animation. Now select animation wipe left. Okay, and now check. So by this way you can edit groom name. Okay, and you can edit this groom name. You can change groom name color. You can change font from here, and you can put this name on the faceplate, and you can move this name by this way, and you can lock this name on the faceplate. For locking this name, need to click lock icon, and after go to forward and click this plus icon and lock this name on the faceplate. You can add animation from here. Okay, letter by letter, inner animation and outer animation also you can select from here. Okay, and now you can check. So okay, in that page I can go to layer and media and select any of your picture. Okay, and now go to this cropping option and do on marks and click this shape. Okay, in this picture you can zoom in, zoom out, and keep on the picture on the display. and you click this three dot icon. Okay, and you click this send to back and click this key icon and adjust the picture on the faceplate. Slowly adjust and go to forward and adjust. By this way you can adjust and slowly go to forward and lock this picture on the faceplate. Okay, so in that way you can fill up all of your picture on that faceplate and you can edit like this.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, now go to front page, click layer, click text, and now you can write what do you want. So I am writing wedding anniversary. Okay, now click OK. So now you can edit this wedding anniversary. You can change color by this color option. Okay, so you can change this font from this front side, and you can give animation, different animation, in animation, out animation, and overall animation. So I am adding all animation. So by this way you can write what do you want.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Okay viewers, thanks for watching up to last moment. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for getting more videos.